As business owners, there's one thing that I'm constantly seeing everybody missing in this AI space, and that is the fact that AI allows for more speed, right? Everybody's talking about AI, it saves you time, AI can make you money, AI this it can do everything for you, it's going to replace all humans. Sure. But what if this instead? What if we as business owners, we just gave our employees, the people we work with, our partners, and everyone else the ability to do things 100 times faster instead? Well, really, that's what AI has allowed. AI allows for that cycle of data completion, testing, and things like that to just go 100,000 times faster, literally. Now, one example personally that I've already been using of this is video ads. I've been able to get out 1,000 video ads in 24 hours for myself, for clients, so we can test and figure out winning angles, right? There'll be 50 different hooks, 10 different bodies calling out different pain points or different positionings of the offer. And then there will be two different call to actions. And we can throw all those up in 1 week, have the data back to us in 2 weeks instead of 6 months to a year of creative testing. Now, this is just one example. Another example that I'm personally doing is the speed to lead. When a new lead comes into the website, which you can go test for yourself, there'll be a link in the description. The AI calls instantly or texts instantly, depending on what I set, and it talks specifically about what they inquired about. Okay, so let's say it's a building website, right? Let's say you run a building construction company, and on your website, you have a form for your new leads that come in for home remodels. Okay, now a home remodel can have a dozen different options. You could do a kitchen remodel, you could do a finished basement, you could do a bathroom remodel, you could do a primary suite, a mix of it, you could do a whole home, you could do a home addition. All right, so now on the form, when the people go on the website and they fill out this form, all that info is going to get transitioned over straight to the AI that calls or texts. Now the AI calls them. It says, "Hey, I saw you were looking to do a kitchen renovation in 1 to 3 months, right? You have the timeline, have everything at this address. Did you have any specific questions, or did you want us to book a time for a tech to come out?" And then boom, right there, they just submitted it. 30 seconds later, they're already on getting qualified as a lead to see, are they actually legit, or are they going to be a tire kicker, right? Speed, that was instant. In 1 to 2 minutes from the time they land on the website, we already know, is this someone worth putting the sales team on? Is this worth getting a human over to go, a person, one of the employees, anybody, to go talk to this person and nurture them further, right? This is the thing with AI. It's not only about saving time. It's not only about freeing up so that now I don't have to do anything. It's not only about automating those manual repetitive tasks in our businesses. No, it's about speed, speed to data. How fast can we test things now? You got a new offer, boom. How fast can you test it? Now with AI, it's 100 times faster than it used to be. Now I can have AI do everything. I can have it throw up the landing page, or I can have it do the research to start. Then I can have it help me formulate the offer, help me throw up together the landing page. I can have it help me make the ad scripts, edit the ad, like everything. It can help me with all of it, and it's just sped up. So that's one of the biggest things I think people are kind of missing with this is, if you start today and you start using AI for yourself properly. I'm not talking about going to ChatGPT and just typing on it, but actually using an AI agent like Claude or Codex within the terminal, or having somebody build you a custom project so that now the AI agent is properly integrated into your workflows. You will see measurable increases in the speed of what your business happens. But that's for another video. That's another topic. The biggest thing here is the testing, getting data, right? You got to start looking at everything as data. Okay, a failed message or a person doesn't convert, there's a reason why. We can use that data. If we post 50 times and none of those posts grow the account, well, we can look at that and say, okay, there's some data of what not to do, right? Everything nowadays is data, and it's, I mean, we've been being told it forever. They're farming our data. They want your data. Data is king, things like that. But now it's even more to the point where we can be using that for ourselves, right? We don't have to have a huge organization of thousands of people doing tons of actions in order to get accurate sample sizes anymore. No, AI can run simulations. AI can actually execute 100 times what we could one time. Like, it's just unbelievable. If you look on my channel and you see some of the apps and stuff that I've been able to build using AI agents, but then the apps have AI agents in them. If you look at those apps and see what those AI agents can do specifically, it's crazy. The fact that I can say, hey, go make a content plan for the next quarter. And then it actually not only makes the content plan, but it sets up the automations that fire each and every day to then generate the images or the carousels, multi-image posts, caption it and throw it together and put it online. Or I can point it towards a folder of video clips that I've got, and I can say, hey, I need you to upload these every 3 hours for the next week or whatever, however many we can, right? It's quite unbelievable the amount of volume we're able to do. And as business owners, that volume just allows for more testing and more clarity so that we can have a better direction on where, or better focus, I guess I should say, not just direction, right? Because the biggest thing that even I personally struggle with as a business owner, right, is positioning, because we're in the business owner mindset. We're not always in the consumer mindset, at least for our niche, right? So we're thinking always from our own brain and not always from the consumer's brain. Now, there is something cool I have to show you later. Meta dropped Tribe, this brain scan based model, which, it definitely has some interest. They're using it to improve their own ads and algorithms and stuff. But again, that's all based on data. So the fact that AI now allows us to increase our speed of acquiring data, the fact that AI allows us to just, well, not just acquire, but the analyzing the data and then using it in an actionable way, it's almost instant, right? I can put little daemons so that the AI is self-learning. You could have it auto do it. You could have it get approvals. Like, there's all these different ways, but I'm getting off topic again. Point is, if you're not using AI right now to increase your speed and you're only using it to try to save yourself time, well, then you're missing out on a big portion, okay? It's actually critical that instead of just setting something up with AI and forgetting it and then now doing less work because, well, AI is doing my job, no, we got to use AI to 100x the output, 100x the quality, 100x the service, right? Every little area that we can improve, now we can do it faster with AI. All right, that's the way I want you to be thinking about it. Is it's more, all right, if I need this built in 24 hours to 48 hours, I can have a minimal viable product that can do at least one of the things I need it to do. Okay, if I have a whole list of sales processes that I need taken care of and automated, I'm going to take the one that takes the most amount of time, like to do, most repetitive, most amount of time. I'm going to tackle that first. Then I can plug the other ones in one day at a time, right? And then after a week or 2 weeks, I have 7 to 10 different automated features or sales processes automated that are features inside my app or something like that, right? The speed at which we can do these things now is absolutely crazy. And if you're missing out on it as a business owner, then, well, that's what I'm here for. This channel is, I'm here to talk about what I'm seeing each and every day as I use AI agents in my business and to run clients' businesses and run processes more effectively, get things done faster, right? So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I know this is kind of an all over the place rant and whatnot, but I'm just something that I really had on my mind, and I just needed to kind of get some stuff out there to you guys. So no script on this one, no super focus today, but maybe I'll do another video today that is more focused for you guys. We'll see. But anyways, this has been Nolan. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.